Everybody want to be a beast. Until it's time to do what beasts do. Everybody want to be a beast. Everybody got tattoos of lions. But when it's time to practice, you ain't on beast mode. If you will be a beast, you're going to have to go through something. Ain't nobody going to hand you nothing. Ain't nobody going to hand you no championship. Ain't nobody going to hand you no title. Real lions like to hunt. They love the process just as much as they love the prize. And some of y'all just want to score. You don't like the process. You're not in love with the process. A real man in the dark, when nobody's watching, he putting in work. A real man, when coach ain't even watching, he's studying film on his own. Because he loves the process. Listen to me, say, be phenomenal, this is it. I want you to chant it out, this is it. Be phenomenal or be forgotten. 1, 2, 3.
Be phenomenal, be forgotten.
1, 2, 3.
Be phenomenal, be forgotten.
Last time, 1, 2, 3.
Be phenomenal,